I let AI edit my video, and wow. I work with AI every day as the founder of an AI consulting business. The technology can do incredible things, but I had zero confidence that an AI tool could edit one of my YouTube videos. Yet that's exactly what Descript's new AI UnderLord promised to do.
Behold, the power of UnderLord.
So I did what any AI tinkerer who daylights as a YouTuber would do and tried to break it. All in the name of research, of course. Listen, I was rooting for the UnderLord. In fact, I'm already a daily Descript user. What content creator doesn't love instant eye contact with the push of a button, or editing your videos from a transcript like editing a Word document? Descript is fast and intuitive, but I was also being realistic. Sure, AI tools can generate text and create cool images, but could they really read your script to understand pacing, listen to the audio, and see the visuals to make tough editorial decisions? I was skeptical, but I was wrong. As it turns out, Descript's AI UnderLord is to video editing what Cursor and Replit are to the vibe coding revolution, meaning it's scary good. It doesn't just remove ums and awkward pauses from your video. Oh no. UnderLord is your AI agent co-editor that knows what makes great videos and has the tools to make those videos. I let Descript's UnderLord edit my raw video footage, and this is what shocked me most. For starters, it was fast. From the home screen, which you can access from the link in the description, I selected AI Video Maker and uploaded a file with my raw video footage, similar to how you would send the footage to an editor. But that's not the only way you can use Descript's AI Video Maker tool. Once selected, it gives you 3 options. You can upload a file, generate a prompt, or paste in a script. Choose your poison and watch the AI agent go to work. Since I uploaded a file, UnderLord then instructed me to choose a B-roll option. I went with AI generated. Descript's AI tool cleaned up the audio, built out scenes and layouts, added visuals and B-roll, and pulled it all together into a polished video. True story. The edits that UnderLord made were impressive. And other than misspelling ChatGPT, the captions were perfection. The AI found moments and created transitions that I hadn't considered. Don't get me wrong. UnderLord isn't perfect, but its issues are more product engineering related than bottlenecks in the underlying technology. And this is the worst it will ever be. In fact, the thing with generative AI is that the models get better as more data and user feedback is incorporated. Since this AI tool is currently in beta, or the testing phase, that's exactly what Descript is doing, learning how people use it and where it breaks to make it even better. This is a big deal for content creators who don't have time to learn complicated video editing tools. Even in beta, UnderLord can take you from raw footage to professional video in minutes. At the very least, it creates a solid first edit. You can then work with UnderLord to swap out B-roll, change layouts, or even color grade your video. This is the future of video editing. I found it useful that you could also make your own changes and edits alongside UnderLord, so you're not just locked into giving it complete control. For example, you can highlight words in the transcript that are misspelled and choose correct from the pop-up menu. Then type in the correct spelling, and that change will automatically be reflected in the video's captions. Or you could ask AI UnderLord to do it for you. Just click the UnderLord icon in the bottom right of the screen and type in your editing request. If you've ever vibe coded before, it really does feel like you're working with a vibe coding agent, but whose expertise is in video editing. The trick is to be precise with your language. You can see here where I asked UnderLord to fix all mentions of ChatGPT where the term was misspelled, and it wrongly assumed I wanted to change the audio or the way I had pronounced ChatGPT, which makes sense because my initial instructions weren't clear. But when I told it to fix the way ChatGPT was spelled in the transcript, it correctly applied those changes in seconds, much faster than I could have done manually. This highlights another powerful feature hidden inside this editing tool. It's called regenerate. If you've ever edited a video before, you've likely been forced to make cuts that leave the audio sounding like this.
Content creation used to take weeks of exhausting work.
But now with Regenerate, new audio is generated to create a clean, seamless transition with the push of a button. It honestly feels like cheating. And the best part, UnderLord knows how to do anything that a human editor could do inside of Descript. Wanted to add effects or background music? Done with a single prompt. You can even create a video from a single prompt without uploading footage. But it doesn't just automate editing tasks. It understands context, flow, and viewer engagement in ways that traditional editing tools simply cannot match. There's a lot you can do with Descript. In fact, when I realized how good it was, I knew I had to make a video for you. I reached out to Descript and they kindly agreed to support this content. While UnderLord is new to me, I've been using Descript to edit my videos since starting this channel. It's one of the reasons I was able to grow my social channels so fast. And that's because Descript makes video editing insanely easy. I now have an editing team that I work with, but I still use Descript before sending any content to them. I use it to instantly remove ums and pauses, fix my gaze, and color correct. Let me show you some of the other can't miss features that will completely change the way you edit videos. Just look at how many options you have right from the homepage. You can edit a video, create an AI avatar, edit a podcast, create social clips. It can even take long-form videos and create short-form, translate and dub video, turn slides into video, make an explainer video, get a transcript. Super easy. For now, I'm going to upload a video that I've already edited, show you some other things that we can do. When you upload a video, Descript automatically creates a transcript for you. Down here, this is what UnderLord is telling me about this video. Your video has been added to your project. What would you like to do next? Here are some common options. Transcribe, we did that already. Split the video into scenes, add captions or subtitles, apply a layout or a style. Let's have UnderLord add chapters. That's something that every YouTuber needs. You have to add chapters. To do that, you can go up to the toolbar, select AI tools, and then click add chapters here, or we could ask UnderLord to add chapters. Look at how fast it responds. Let's add chapters to your video for better navigation and structure. Then it comes up with a plan. I will now add chapters to your video based on its content. And then if you click plan, it'll just go through and show you. I didn't speed this up. This is how fast it did this. Chapters have been added to your video at key points, and then it breaks down where those key points are. Number 1, introduction and channel growth success. Number 2, the problem with too many tools. And it goes through and breaks all of those down for us. Let's go through and see how well it did with that. Most creators are actually slowing down their growth by using too many tools and overcomplicating everything. You can see right here, we have an automatic chapter. When I first started, then in UnderLord's conversation over here, it's asking if you want to further customize the chapters by turning them into visual chapters. These markers can then be exported as chapters in your video file, or you can easily copy the chapter list with timestamps to your YouTube description to enable clickable navigation for viewers. Done. And that's another thing that this can do for you. Descript can also generate a description for your video. Here's the bottom line. This isn't just another AI tool. It's the co-editor that you've always needed. If you're a content creator or an online marketer, or just someone who needs to make videos and you haven't used Descript, now is your moment. If you want to try this for yourself, I've put a special link in the description below where you get Descript's new UnderLord agent for free until the end of August. So yes, AI can edit your videos.